Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. So,
Então,
I was tired, so I slept.
eu estava cansado, então dormi.
Also,
Também,
I like tea. I also like coffee.
eu gosto de chá. Eu também gosto de café.
Finally,
Finalmente,
finally, I found it.
finalmente, achei.
Anyway,
Enfim,
anyway, let's go.
enfim, vamos lá.
Before,
Antes,
wash your hands before dinner.
lava as mãos antes do jantar.
After,
Depois,
we can play football after school.
nós podemos jogar futebol depois da escola.
As soon as,
Assim que,
call me as soon as you arrive.
me liga assim que você chegar.
As long as,
O tempo que,
you can stay, as long as you want.
você pode ficar o tempo que quiser.
Even if,
Mesmo se,
I will go even if it rains.
eu irei mesmo se chover.
Actually,
Na verdade,
actually, I don't know.
na verdade, eu não sei.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.